In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a notes database in Notion. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can get set up quickly and start organizing your ideas right away. Begin by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the Marketplace in the main navigation. Depending on your view or region, this area may also look like a template gallery, but the idea is the same. It's the place where you can find ready-made setups that you can add to your workspace. Inside the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Notes Database. This will surface templates designed specifically for capturing and organizing notes. Searching this way helps you skip the guesswork and jump straight into formats that are already structured for note-taking, saving you time. Next, narrow your results by choosing the Design category. This filter is helpful if you prefer clean, visually consistent templates that are easy to scan. The Design category typically highlights templates with thoughtful layouts, modern styling, and intuitive property setups, which is perfect for keeping notes tidy and usable over the long term. From the results, click on a Notes Database template that catches your eye. You'll be taken to a preview page where you can see how it's structured, things like title fields, tags, status, and different views. When you're ready, click Add. Notion will add the template to your workspace and open it so you can start using it immediately. Once the template is added, feel free to customize everything for your notes. Rename the database to match your workflow, like Personal Notes, Study Hub, or Project Research. Adjust properties to track what matters to you. Tags for topics, a checkbox for action items, or a date property for when notes were taken. Explore the views that come with the template, such as table, list, or gallery. If there's a calendar view, it can be especially useful for reviewing notes by date. You can also change icons, covers, and colors to make the space feel inviting. As you create entries, try adding a few sample notes to refine your structure. If a property doesn't serve you, hide it. If you need one more, add it. The goal is to make the database fit your brain, not the other way around. And that's it. You've opened the Notion website, used the Marketplace to find a notes database, selected the Design category, added a template, and customized it to suit your needs. Enjoy capturing your ideas in a system that works for you.